Hello guys, welcome to this new tutorial. So for this one we'll be doing glow effect. Right, so we'll be doing glow effect and we're starting with this picture. We'll be adding glow effect to the word Ronaldo and then the number 7. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you're doing is jumping here to your tool, your lasso tool. So we have polygonal lasso tool, we have lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. I'll be using polygonal lasso tool. Right, so you want to zoom in here, then trace your Ronaldo and 7. So I'll start with Ronaldo like so. Alright, so after doing your selection, right, what you're doing next is going to select, click on color range. So after clicking on color, you want to select the color you want the glow effect to stay on. If you click on white, as you can see on your preview here, white has been selected. We want to select this deep blue, right, and your fuzziness, you can play with that slider, but I think I need it to be at 200 so it can pick the word and the number. So I'll hit OK there. After doing that, the next I'm doing is hitting Ctrl and J. That's to duplicate. As you can see, my selection has left the word and the number. That means the Photoshop has cut that out into this layer. So on that layer, I want to right click on that layer and convert it to a smart object. Alright, so after doing that, you want to come down to your foreground here. So you want to pick the color for your glow, right? So I'll be going for something around here. Okay, so I'll hit on the OK button, right? So the next thing you want to do is to create a new layer at the top of this layer here, right? Then come to your brush, right? So now to add your effect, you want to click on this layer, right click on that and select pixels. Right, so after doing that, you see that the selection has been made, but your brush is not active. Right, so the next thing you want to do after that is to click on your first layer, and you see your brush is active now. Right, so then start adding that effect to your number, like so. Alright, so you do the same for this. Okay, I think I'm quite satisfied now. So you want to hit Ctrl D to deselect that, right? The next thing you're doing after that is coming down to your first layer, click on your first layer, then come to adjustment layer here, then click levels. So with your levels, push down your slider. Good. So as you can see, the glow effect is coming up. Right, so you want to also play with your other sliders to achieve the effect you're actually looking for. So I'm going to leave it like this. I think I like what this is looking like. Right. Alright. Okay, so this is how you achieve your glow effect. So I'm going to pick these layers, I'm going to put them in one group. So this is our before and this is our after. This is our before and this is our after. Alright, so if you have any question, you can put it down in the comment section below. Alright, thanks to that. Alright, so this is the second one. Now I'll be doing this glow effect on. This is quite straightforward. The first thing we want to do is to come to our layers here, layer panel, click on create new layer. So on this layer you want to double click. Right, so we have our layer style activated. The next thing you're doing here is come to inner glow. So on this your inner glow, you leave the blend mode as normal, opacity 100%, noise 0%. So I'll leave my setting this way basically. Right, so you can play around this figure to see what you like to achieve. Alright, so I'm going next to my outer glow. So for my outer glow, first things first is to make your blend mode here linear dodge add. Right, I'll make my opacity to 100%. You'll be seeing everything you're doing here. Right, the next one, the noise, I don't want this, so I remove my noise from my preview. I'm looking at what I'm doing from here. So your spread, I'll make my spread to 6. Right, then the size, I'll leave my size as it is. Your range, if you push it up a little bit, you see what you're having. Right, so I think I'll leave my range at this, and my jitter at 0. I'm going to hit on the OK button. Then I'll go to my brush here. Right, so you can increase your brush or reduce depending on what you're looking for. So I'll hold Ctrl and push up like so. Right, so this is what we have. Right, so if you also have if you have question concerning these two, leave it in the comment section. I'll attend to it. Right, so this is the last thing we'll be adding the glow effect on. So for this, what we are doing is adding the glow effect to this sword. Okay, come to your layers panel for that and click on add new layer. The effect is going to be coming on this layer. So before that, what you want to do is to come to your pen tool here, click on pen tool. So we zoom into this a little like so we can see the lady and add our trace the sword basically. So you begin to trace the sword, you click, click, click. Okay, click on the sword. Alright, that has been done. So what I'm doing here now is to right click on my sword and click on make selection. So we ask you, do you want to make selection? You say okay to that. So the sword has been selected, as you can see. The next thing you're doing is come to your panel here, then click on this group folder. So on that group folder, you want to add a layer mask to that. What you notice is that the selection has disappeared. If that happened, you are doing this right. It means that the selection we've made has been cut into this layer. Right, so come down to your brush. So on your foreground, select the color you like to make the glow of your sword look like. So I would like to go with this color again. Alright, I'll click on OK. Now I'll come to these layers here. So on this layer, then you come up a little bit. So this your layer you've added to your group. Hold Ctrl and click on that layer mask. Right, so you see that although we're on this layer, that selection has been made because we held Ctrl and click on that layer mask, which is this here. So you can begin to do this. Right, so you see now that we really can't see our sword. Right, it just looks basically yellow. So what you're doing now is come to this place that says normal. That's your blend mode. Click on that, then turn this to linear dodge. Right, okay, so we can see this white glow effect happening. Right, so that's not all. After doing that, what you want to do is right click on this. You can right click on that, then go to blending options. So on your blending option, you want to come to your outer glow. Right, you don't want this color blue obviously, so you click on this your color and select that color. Alright, So the opacity is looking too much. We reduce the opacity, right? So the size of that, okay, I think this size is quite generous. So the range is how far or how soft that glue is going to be, how hard or soft the glue is going to be. So I'm going to leave it like so. Okay, so I'll hit on the OK keyboard button. So we have this. This is what we have. This is what our final touch looks like. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you'd like to see more of this, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Peace.